Hey guys, Vincious here. Today I'm going to share with you about installing the Yoke Steering Wheel from triple gear onto a Tesla Model S. If you have a Model S or Model X from the year 2012 to 2020, this is going to be the same process. Well, it's very well protected with the foam above the product. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, this quality is good. Look at the stitches. Let's go install it. These are all the tools you'll need for installing. This is a 4mm hex key, edge turn screw on the wrench. Oh, last but not least, this is the blue thread lock. Let me show you how to take out this old steering wheel and install the new one. This is the airbag in the middle. Many people think I should cut off the battery before doing anything to the airbag, but it's not necessary. The backside design are the same for the new and old, so there are two holes at the back side, so just use the hex key to lose it. It's a bit tight for the first time, just like alright, it's off. Just take it out, unplug the cables. This is the airbag and control unit. Right here, use the H10 screw to take it out. It's pretty tight, you need to use force, may force be with you. Oh. Look how big it is. I've never seen a yellow color thread lock before, but I believe it is. Simply take it out. Hey, take a look at this tool. This is the old one. It feels good and originally from Tesla. At the back of it with a barcode sticker and nothing else. The old steering is glossy and the new Yoke steering is matte. It feels really good too. Inside the wheel is a metal bar, so it's much lighter. Just push it in. Oh. Put this big bolt back in, but I want to use a bit blue thread lock. Just a few drops, that's it. The final part is always exciting. Put this back on. One. And yellow color airbag. Two. Push it. Push it. The buttons are working. Good. This feels so good.